Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, Shami Eats and Treats. Click on that subscribe button and get ready because today we'll be making sambousek with cheese. Did you hear that crunch? How crispy this dough is? Let's go ahead and make some. First we'll put 5 cups of flour, two tablespoons of canola oil, 1 teaspoon of salt, and 2 cups of lukewarm water. Using our dough hook in our stand mixer, we're going to knead that for about 7 minutes. Taking this dough, we'll make 12 balls, place them in a pie rack, cover it with plastic wrap, and set aside for 30 minutes. Here we have some cornstarch, which will give it a nice crispiness. In the other dish, I have some canola oil on the side, which we will be putting on our dough. We'll take each ball and flatten it out to about an 8-inch circle. Let's put a little bit of canola on here, and then a little bit of cornstarch. If you're going to layer your dough on top of each other, be sure to add a wax or parchment paper as they will stick to each other. Now as that's sitting, let's go ahead and make our filling. You'll need 16 ounces of feta cheese, 4 tablespoons of dried mint, and 2 teaspoons of black seeds. Taking our circle of dough, we'll put it on our empanada maker, add some cheese, close it up, remove any excess, and set it aside so we can fry. When you fry, be sure you're frying on medium heat. This way your oil is not too hot and you don't end up burning the outside of your sambousek while the inside is still not fully cooked. If you enjoyed this recipe, be sure to give it a thumbs up, and of course don't forget to subscribe so you never miss when I upload my next video.